Tech jungle. The place for you in the jungle makes you struggle.
In recent discussions and media reports, concerns have been raised about Microsoft's data collection practices, leading to accusations of spying on users. However, it is essential to examine the facts and gain a balanced understanding of the situation. Data collection for system improvement. Microsoft collects data from Windows users as part of its telemetry program, aimed at enhancing the operating system's performance, security, and reliability. This data includes information about system usage, software compatibility, and error reports. It is crucial to note that this data is anonymized and aggregated to protect user privacy. Transparency and user control. Microsoft maintains transparency by providing detailed information about its data collection practices in its privacy policies. Users have the option to customize their privacy settings and control the amount of data shared with Microsoft. This empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their privacy preferences. Purpose and benefits. The primary purpose of data collection is to identify and address system issues, improve user experience, and develop new features. This helps Microsoft deliver updates, bug fixes, and security patches efficiently. By understanding how users interact with Windows, Microsoft can tailor its services to meet their needs more effectively. Balancing privacy and system improvement. While data collection is essential for improving software, Microsoft recognizes the importance of respecting user privacy. The company adheres to legal requirements and industry standards, safeguarding user data and ensuring its responsible use. Ongoing discussions and user feedback. Public discussions and user feedback play a crucial role in shaping Microsoft's approach to data collection. Microsoft actively listens to user concerns and engages in dialogue to address privacy-related issues. This commitment to transparency and responsiveness demonstrates their dedication to user satisfaction and privacy protection. Contrary to claims of spying, Microsoft's data collection practices aim to enhance system performance and provide a better user experience. The company maintains transparency, giving users control over their privacy settings. It is vital for users to understand the facts, engage in informed discussions, and make privacy choices that align with their preferences. If you found this information valuable, please consider liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on technology and privacy.